Welcome to Bedtime Astronomy. Explore the wonders of the cosmos with our soothing Bedtime Astronomy podcast. Each episode offers a gentle journey through the stars, planets, and beyond, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Let's travel through the mysteries of the universe as you drift off into a peaceful slumber under the night sky. Gazing upward in the cradle of civilization. Imagine a world bathed in the soft glow of firelight. Beneath a vast, star-studded sky, our earliest ancestors huddled together, their curiosity piqued by the celestial spectacle above. The rhythmic dance of the moon, the dazzling brilliance of the stars, and the awe-inspiring power of the sun all fueled a nascent form of astronomy, a primal attempt to understand the universe we inhabit. This series delves into the fascinating world of astronomy in ancient civilizations, exploring how these cultures interpreted the cosmos, mapped the constellations, and laid the foundation for the scientific study of the universe. These early skywatchers weren't equipped with telescopes or sophisticated instruments. Their tools were their own keen senses, a deep connection with nature, and a burgeoning sense of wonder. They observed the heavens night after night, meticulously recording the movements of celestial bodies, the appearance and disappearance of stars, the phases of the moon, and the seemingly erratic paths of planets sparked countless questions. Were these celestial objects mere points of light, or did they hold some deeper meaning? Did their movements influence life on Earth? It was from these early inquiries that the seeds of astronomy were sown. Stories etched in stars, myths and legends of the night sky. As humanity gazed skyward, they didn't just observe, they also created. The constellations became characters and grand narratives, projected onto the celestial canvas. These constellations weren't simply random groupings of stars. They were transformed into heroes, monsters, and deities, forming the basis for elaborate myths and legends. In ancient Mesopotamia, for instance, the constellation Ursa Major, the Great Bear, was associated with the goddess Inanna, a powerful figure linked to fertility and warfare. The Egyptians saw Orion, a prominent constellation featuring 3 bright stars in a row, as the mighty hunter Osiris, the god of the underworld and resurrection. These myths served a dual purpose. Not only did they entertain and provide explanations for natural phenomena, but they also functioned as a way to remember the positions of stars. By associating constellations with stories and characters, people could more easily recall their locations in the night sky. This knowledge proved invaluable for navigation, particularly for sailors venturing out to sea, and for seasonal prediction, allowing communities to prepare for the changing seasons and plan their agricultural activities accordingly. Timekeepers of the cosmos, calendars and astronomical observations. The cyclical movement of celestial bodies played a crucial role in the development of calendars in ancient civilizations. By meticulously observing the changing positions of the sun, moon, and stars, these cultures were able to track the passage of time and predict seasonal changes, The Egyptians, for example, based their calendar on the annual flooding of the Nile River, a vital event for their agricultural society. They meticulously tracked the heliacal rising of Sirius, the brightest star in the night sky, which coincided with the start of the flooding season. This intricate connection between a celestial event and an earthly phenomenon marked a significant step in humanity's quest to understand the rhythms of the cosmos. Similarly, the Maya civilization in Mesoamerica developed a complex calendar system based on both solar and lunar cycles. Their keen observations of the night sky allowed them to create highly accurate calendars that tracked not just days and weeks, but also longer cycles like eclipses and planetary movements. These calendars were essential for their agricultural practices, religious ceremonies, and even for predicting the future, highlighting the deep connection the Maya saw between celestial events and their daily lives. Aligning with the heavens, monuments as celestial markers. Many ancient cultures believed in a profound connection between the earth and the sky. This belief manifested in the construction of impressive monuments meticulously aligned with specific celestial phenomena. These structures served not just as places of worship or practical use, but also as astronomical observatories and symbolic representations of the cosmic order. One of the most famous examples is Stonehenge, the iconic megalithic structure in England. With its massive stones arranged in a circular formation, Stonehenge is believed to have been used for astronomical observations. Its alignment suggests a connection to the summer solstice, with the rising sun positioned directly over the central stone during the longest day of the year. Similar alignments can be found in other cultures. The pyramids of Giza in Egypt, for instance, are thought to have been meticulously positioned in relation to the cardinal points and constellations, reflecting the Egyptians' belief in the cyclical nature of time and the connection between earthly and celestial realms. These alignments demonstrate the deep respect and awe ancient cultures held for the heavens. By meticulously mirroring celestial patterns in their structures, they sought to connect themselves to the larger cosmic order and harness the perceived power of the stars and planets. Keen eyes and simple tools. Observing the cosmos without telescopes. Without the benefit of telescopes or sophisticated instruments, ancient astronomers relied solely on their keen eyesight and the creation of ingenious tools to aid in their observations. Their dedication to naked eye observation laid the groundwork for later advancements in astronomy. The Babylonians, known for their meticulous record-keeping, were pioneers in this area. They meticulously tracked the movements of planets across the night sky, noting their positions and recording their paths over centuries. These observations allowed them to predict celestial events like eclipses and planetary conjunctions with remarkable accuracy. Their detailed records proved invaluable for later astronomers attempting to understand planetary motion and develop models of the solar system. Another example is the gnomon, a simple yet effective tool used by the Chinese. This vertical rod, often placed on a flat platform, served as a rudimentary sundial, casting a shadow that changed length throughout the day. By observing these shadow variations, the Chinese could track the sun's altitude and measure the changing seasons, a crucial tool for agricultural planning. These early instruments, though basic by modern standards, marked significant steps in the evolution of astronomical observation and demonstrate the resourcefulness of ancient cultures in their pursuit of celestial knowledge. Beyond observation, the intersection of astronomy and astrology. While astronomy in many ancient civilizations focused on meticulous observation and record-keeping, it wasn't purely scientific. It often intertwined with astrology, the belief that celestial bodies could influence human affairs. Astrologers used their understanding of planetary movements and constellations to predict events like births, deaths, and the fate of empires. Kings and emperors often consulted astrologers for guidance, believing their celestial insights could provide valuable information for governance. This practice wasn't without its critics. Even in ancient times, some scholars questioned the validity of astrological predictions, recognizing the limitations of human knowledge and the complexities of celestial movements. However, astrology persisted for centuries, holding a powerful sway over many cultures. Its influence on calendars, religious ceremonies, and social structures highlights the profound impact astronomy had on various aspects of life in ancient civilizations. From myth to measurement, the shift towards scientific inquiry. The study of the cosmos in ancient civilizations wasn't static. Over time, particularly in some cultures, astronomical observations began to shift from a purely mythological or religious perspective to a more scientific approach. This shift marked a significant turning point in our understanding of the universe. The Greeks, in particular, made significant strides in this area. Philosophers like Aristotle and Aristarchus of Samos developed models of the solar system, attempting to explain the observed movements of celestial bodies. These models, though not entirely accurate by modern standards, represented a crucial step away from mythological explanations and towards a more mathematical understanding of the cosmos. Aristarchus even proposed a heliocentric model, sun-centered, centuries before it became widely accepted, a testament to the boldness and intellectual curiosity of some ancient astronomers. These early attempts at scientific explanation laid the foundation for the future development of astronomy as a distinct discipline. By questioning established beliefs and seeking rational explanations for celestial phenomena, Greek scholars paved the way for future generations of astronomers who would further refine our understanding of the universe. A legacy of observation, the enduring impact of ancient astronomy. The astronomical knowledge accumulated by ancient civilizations has left an enduring legacy that continues to shape our understanding of the cosmos today. The constellations we recognize, The names of planets like Mars and Jupiter, and even the basic tools used for stargazing all have their roots in these early observations. These ancient skywatchers, despite lacking advanced technology, laid the groundwork for astronomical inquiry. Their meticulous records of celestial movements, their pioneering use of simple tools, and their willingness to question established beliefs all paved the way for later advancements. Without their dedication and curiosity, the development of astronomy as a scientific discipline might have taken a very different path. Echoes of the past, looking forward with the lessons of the past. Studying ancient astronomy offers valuable insights into the scientific development of various cultures. It highlights the human desire to understand the universe, even in the absence of sophisticated tools. It also showcases the resourcefulness of these cultures in developing ingenious methods for observation and record keeping. As we continue to explore the universe with ever more powerful telescopes and spacecraft, it's important to acknowledge the foundation laid by those who came before us. The ancient skywatchers, with their naked eyes and simple tools, were the first to embark on this grand journey of cosmic exploration. Their legacy serves as a reminder of the enduring human fascination with the cosmos and inspires us to continue pushing the boundaries of our knowledge. A universal quest, astronomy and the human experience. Astronomy transcends cultures and time periods. It's a universal human pursuit driven by our innate curiosity about the world around us and our place within it. From the stories woven around constellations to the meticulous observations of celestial bodies, ancient astronomy reveals a deep connection between humanity and the cosmos. By studying the night sky, these early cultures not only sought practical knowledge for navigation and agriculture, but also grappled with profound existential questions about our place in the universe. Their observations and interpretations, though expressed in different ways, reflect a shared human desire to understand the vastness and complexity of the cosmos. In many ways, the ancient skywatchers were the first philosophers and scientists, paving the way for a long and ongoing journey of exploration and discovery.